Okay, the tools we're going to need to replace the bushing and drive gear will be 12mm wrench, 5mm Allen wrench, a short Phillips screwdriver, and a socket that is approximately the same diameter as the bottom of the drive gear, and a rubber mallet. First thing we're going to do is remove the shaft lock knob. Next we'll remove the guards. And now we'll raise this shelf and use the shaft guards to hold it up while we work on the replacement of the bushing. Now we'll remove the shafts. We have to remove the one below the bushing we're replacing. Okay, now we're going to loosen up the adjustable end of the belt with the pulley. We'll be using a 12mm wrench and a 5mm Allen wrench. Now we'll remove the belt from the drive gear and the pulleys. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is remove the drive gear from the bushing. We have a socket and a rubber mallet. Okay, now we'll remove the drive gear that we loosened from the bottom side. And now we will remove the bushing. Now we'll replace the bushing. Now the bushing is securely in place. Replace it with our new drive gear, which we can press in. And now we will reposition the belt. And now we'll move to the other end of the machine to tighten the belt. We're all set. Okay, we're done replacing our bushing and drive gear. Remove our shaft guards. Going to replace our drive shafts. Place our safety guards. put our shaft lock knob back in place.